alaikum. You're watching CID News Network, Islamabad. I'm Salwa Shams with today's headlines. Prime Minister Imran Khan to pay a day-long visit to Lahore today. Prime Minister will reach the Punjab capital on a day-long visit today. Reports in local media sources said that the Prime Minister Imran Khan is scheduled to hold separate meetings with Chief Minister Usman Buzdar and Governor Chaudhry Mohammad Sarwar. A briefing on Lahore development project will also be given in a meeting to be held in the CM House. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi received a phone call from United Arab Emirates Sheikh Abdullah bin Zayed Al Nahyan. A statement issued by the Foreign Office stated that the two foreign ministers discussed various dimensions on Pak-UAE relationship and agreed to strengthen cooperation in various fields. 16 MPs in Balochistan Assembly Tuesday submitted a no-confidence motion against Balochistan Chief Minister Mr. Jam Kamal Khan to the Assembly Secretary, demanding that a session be called for a debate on the monitor within a week. Opposition MPs mentioned that Mr. Jam Kamal Khan had violated Article 37 and Article 38 of the Constitution and passed budget, due to which poverty and unrest had increased in area of Balochistan. The Sindh government has announced resuming indoor dining while markets in the country's financial capital will be allowed to stay open till 10 p.m. Karachi to observe closed days on Sunday, while Friday will be observed as closed days across the province. Indoor dining has been allowed for vaccinated people till midnight, while restaurant can serve with 50% of occupancy. Pakistan has reported the lowest COVID positivity rate in around 2 months. During the last 24 hours, the positivity rate was recorded as 4.89%. According to the daily data issued by the National Command and Operations Center, at least 73 people lost their lives due to the fourth wave of novel coronavirus, while 2,714 tested positive for the novel disease. Well, that's all from today's news. Keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Thank you.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.